Hello, good morning students. Now in my today's lecture, we are going to solve miscellaneous exercise of trigonometric function. In the previous exercise and previous lecture, we had solved exercise 3.4, which is equation, trigonometric equation. For your kind information, I would like to tell you this trigonometric equation has been removed from the syllabus. Means this year in class 11 this will not be asked. Means equation type of question will not be asked this time. So we have done for your practice, for your knowledge, but this type of question will not be asked in question paper. Now today we are going to start exercise which is miscellaneous exercise. A few questions are there to solve. Let's see. The very first question, question 1 is given 2 cos pi by 13, 2 cos pi by 13, cos 9 pi by 13, cos 9 pi by 13 plus cos 3 pi by 13, cos 3 pi by 13 plus cos 5 pi by 13, cos 5 pi by 13 is equal to 0. Just you have to observe the question. Means what type of question is given and where you have to use which formula. See, taking left hand side, see, if you take left hand side, this much portion, you see, this much portion is in the form 2 cos A cos B, and here we can use cos A plus cos B, but first solve this question. We have to bring 0. So what is the formula of 2 cos A cos B? I am writing here. See, 2 cos A cos B is equal to, I think you remember, cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. This is the formula. So the same formula we are going to use. Here, see, we have cos pi by 13 plus 9 pi by 13 plus cos pi by 13 minus 9 pi by 13, and plus these two are remaining same, cos 3 pi by 13 plus cos 5 pi by 13. Let's simplify this one. Pi by 13 plus 9 pi by 13, 10 pi by 13. So we have cos 10 pi by 13 plus cos minus 8, minus 9 pi by 13 plus this. So minus 8 pi by 13 plus cos 3 pi by 13 plus cos 5 pi by 13. You know the formula, cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. I am writing every formula in the side. Cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. So this becomes positive. Now 10 pi by 13 we can write cos pi plus 3 pi by 13. Can you write? See, cos pi plus 3 pi by 13 minus pi minus 13 over 13 pi minus 3 pi is 10 pi plus, now this becomes positive. This can be written cos pi minus 5 pi by 13. 13 over 13 minus 5, 8 pi by 13 plus cos 3 pi by 13 plus cos 5 pi by 13. Now check the angles. Here pi minus pi by pi minus theta. This 3 pi by 13 x adds theta. So pi minus theta in which quadrant? Second quadrant. And in second quadrant cos is negative. So this can be minus cos 3 pi by 13 plus, again this is pi minus theta is minus cos 5 pi by 13 plus cos 3 pi by 13 plus cos 5 pi by 13. See this, cos 3 pi by 13 positive and negative, and positive will go here, positive and negative will go. So what we have is equal to 0, right hand side. This is the solution of the question. Got it? Simple one. Just you have to go for the formula, what kind of formula we are applying here, and after that you can apply the exact formula and you will get the result. Got it? Now let's see question number 2. Question number 2 is again simple question. Question 2, given sin 3x plus sin x sin x into sin x plus cos 3x minus cos x into cos x is equal to 0. Once again see the bracket. Here we have sin A plus sin B formula. Here we have cos A minus cos B formula. Apply this and get the result. See, left hand side, I am solving the bracket. See, 2 sin 3x plus x by 2 cos 3x minus x by 2 into this sin x is outside plus cos A minus cos B formula, you remember, minus 2 sin 3x plus x by 2 sin 3x minus x by 2 into cos x outside. Simplify. This is 3x plus x by 2, this is 4x by 2, this is sin 2x, here cos x, and what we have, 2 sin 2x cos x sin x. Try to understand. Here this sin is here, this is cos x and this is sin 2x. Minus, this minus sign comes out, minus, this is 2 sin, this is 2x sin x cos x. This sin 2x is here, cos x is here, sin x is here, plus minus, so this will go, it becomes 0, which is the result of right hand side. Got it? Very simple question. Just you have to go through it and try to solve. Got it? Now, third question, cos x plus cos y whole square, cos x plus cos y whole square plus we have sin x minus sin y, sin x minus sin y whole square is equal to 4 cos square x plus y by 2. This is the result. Very simple one. Here we have cos x plus cos y formula. Here we have sin x minus sin y formula. Apply the formula, make it square, and you can get the result. So I am writing left hand side. See, I am breaking this into cos x plus cos y. What is the formula? I think you remember. 2 cos x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2 whole square plus sin x minus sin y 2 cos x plus y by 2 cos x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2. Square this. Whole square is there. Here is also whole square. So on squaring we will get 4 cos square x plus y by 2. Here is a checkpoint. Never square the angle. Means if you are writing cos theta whole square, so what is it? Cos square theta. Means square is not made on theta. Square is not made in angle. So in the same way here also we have 2 square is 4 cos square x plus y by 2 is the angle. Here cos square x minus y by 2 is the angle plus square of this 4 cos square x plus y by 2 sin square x minus y by 2. See, 4 cos square x plus y by 2 here, 4 cos square x plus y by 2 is here. So this much is common. So we have 4 cos square x plus y by 2 common. What is left? We have cos square x minus y by 2 plus sin square x minus y by 2. This is the form of x minus y whole square, sorry, cos square theta plus sin square theta. In place of theta we have x minus y by 2, x minus y by 2. So this becomes 1. So what we have? We have cos square x plus y by 2 into 1, which is 4 cos square x plus y by 2, which is the result of right hand side. Got it? Very simple. Just you have to apply the formula and you will get the result. Let's see. Question number 4 is in the same manner. So I think I am leaving this question for you. This is given formula cos x minus cos y whole square and sin x minus sin y whole square. You will apply the formula and square, and same one thing is common. After that it becomes 1 and you will get the result. Now let's see. So question number 4 I am leaving for you. You will try the question yourself and you will send the solution to me. Got it? Now let's see. Question number 5. Question number 5. Question is sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x plus sin 7x. See, sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x plus sin 7x is equal to, we need 4 cos x cos 2x sin 4x. 4 cos x cos 2x sin 4x. Got it? Very simple. We have 4 angles in left side. Left hand side we have 4 angles. Make the pair of 2 at a time, but taking care that the sum of angles must be the same. Like 1 plus 7 is 8, 3 plus 5 is 8. So taking those whose sums are equal together, I am writing, see, sin 7x plus sin x, try to write the greater angle first, plus sin 5x plus sin 3x together. Now apply the formula of sin a plus b. So we can write 2 sin 7x plus x by 2 cos 7x minus x by 2 plus here 2 sin 5x plus 3x by 2 cos 5x minus 3x by 2. Let's see what happened. 7x plus x, 8x by 2 is 4x. Here 7x minus x is what? 3x. 5 plus 4, 3 by 2 is 4. Here 5 minus 3 by 2 is 1. So I am writing, see, 2 sine 4x cos 3x plus 2 sine 4x cos x. So see, 2 sine 4x is common. So take 2 sine 4x common. So what we have? Cos 3x plus cos x. Again this can be broken in the formula cos a plus cos b. So we have 2 sine 4x and here 2 cos 3x plus x by 2 cos 3x minus x by 2. Here we have 2 sine 4x into 2 cos 3 plus 1 by 2, 2x cos 2x into here 3 minus 1, 2 by 2 is 1 cos x. So see what is the result? 2 2s are 4. Here we have cos 2x. Here we have cos x. Here we have sin 4x. Sin 4x. Right hand side. Got it? Very simple exercises are. Just it is the practice of formula. Practice of formula. See, question number 6 is simple question once again. I'll give the clue to solve and you will solve the question yourself. See, I am writing sin 7x plus sin 5x. Question number 6. Sin 7x plus sin 5x together plus sin 9x plus sin 3x. Sin 9x plus sin 3x whole upon the same with cos 7x plus cos 5x plus here we have cos 9x plus cos 3x is equal to, we have to bring tan 6x. Very simple. See what to do. You have to solve this question yourself. Here sin a plus b formula. So 2 sin 7x plus 5x by 2 sin cos 7x minus 5x by 2. So what is the result? We have 2 sin 6x. 2 sin 6x cos x here. Here we can result 2 sin 6x into cos 3x here. Here cos formula. Finally you will see that sin 6x common from numerator, sin cos 6x common from denominator, and other will be cancelled. Sin 6x upon cos 6x is equal to tan 6x. So you will try this question yourself. If any doubt, you may contact me. I am leaving this question for you. See, question number 7. Sin 3x plus sin 2x minus sin x. 7th question. Sin 3x plus sin 2x minus sin x is equal to 4 sin x cos x by 2 cos 3x by 2. Got it? Let's see. Left hand side. See, If we take 3x and 2x together, that will be 5x by 2. So we don't need 5x by 2. Here we can take 3x minus x together. 3x minus x by 2, that is x by 2. 2x by 2, that is x by x. So we can have x. To apply the formula, taking these two together, we can write, see, sin 3x minus sin x plus sin 2x. See, break this sin A minus sin B. What is the result? 2 cos 3x minus a plus x by 2 sin 3x minus x by 2 plus this sin 2x can be, we don't need sin 2x. So break this, 2 sin x cos x, the formula of sin 2x. Got it? Now this becomes 2 cos 2x sin here x plus 2 sin x cos x. See, 2 sin x is here and 2 sin x is here. So 2 sin x is common. So we have 2 sin x is common. We need 2 sin x is common. What is left? Cos 2x plus cos x. Again this can be broken into cos A plus cos B formula. So we have 2 sin x. Here 2 cos 2x plus x by 2 cos 2x minus x by 2. See, this is 2 to the 4. Sin x is out. Here what we have? Cos 3 plus 2 by 2, cos 3x by 2, and here cos 2 minus 1 is 1, x by 2. The final result is 4 sin x cos x by 2 cos 3x by 2, which is right hand side. Go through it, see it. So this was question number 7. Now 2 more questions are, out of those I will solve only one of the questions and other question you will solve yourself. Question number 9 you will solve yourself. See, question number 8 is another type of question. It is practice of formula. What is given? Find sin x by 2 cos x by 2 tan x by 2. Find sin x by 2 cos x by 2 tan x by 2. This is question number 8. The given that tan x is equal to minus 4 upon 3. Tan x is equal to minus 4 upon 3. And one thing is given, x lies in second quadrant. Lies in second quadrant. In this case, we have to find sin x by 2, cos x by 2, tan x by 2. Got it? So first, change this tan into sin and cos, and after that we will decide. So we know that sec square since sec square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x, you know the formula, and we have tan x values you can put here. So we have sec square x is equal to 1 plus, squaring this it will become positive, so we have 16 upon 9. Sec square x is equal to 25 upon 9, or square root sec x is equal to plus minus 5 upon 3. Cos x is equal to plus minus 3 upon 5. Reciprocal of sec, we have cos. Now, since x lies in second quadrant, x lies in second quadrant, so in second quadrant sec and cos are negative. So here we write, since x lies in second quadrant, therefore cos x is equal to minus 3 upon 5. Cos x is equal to minus 3 upon 5. We have decided that cos is negative. So let's see, this angle is lying in second quadrant. So obviously you will know that this is between 90 degree and 180 degree. In second quadrant 90 degree and 180 degree. So can we write like this, pi by 2 is less than x is less than pi, means this is x is more than pi by 2, less than pi. But we have to bring x by 2. See the solution, x by 2. So here we need x by 2. So divide the whole inequality by 2, or we can write pi by 4 is less than x by 2 is less than pi by 2. Try to understand. Now see this relation. This x by 2 is between pi by 2 and pi by 4, means in first quadrant, since x by 2 lies in first quadrant, so if it is lying in first quadrant, then we can find the value of, means value will be positive. So we have got the value of cos x. This can be converted into sine. Cos can be converted into sine in which formula? Remember this formula, see, one minus 2 sine square x by 2, sine square x by 2 is equal to cos x minus 1, cos x minus 1. Got it? Or direct formula you can apply, cos x by 2 is equal to, the formula is 1 plus cos x upon 2. Direct formula apply. See, I am writing cos x by 2 is equal to under root 1 plus cos x by 2. This is the formula, direct formula of cos x by 2. So you know the value. See, under root 1 minus cos x by 2 is what? We have got minus 3 by 5 upon 2. Solve this. What we have? 2 under 2 minus 1 minus 3. This is 3. This is 3 by 5. So 5 under 5 minus 3. 2 by 5 upon 2. So what is the result of this? This is 2 and 2 cancel. What we have? 1 upon root 5. 2 and 2 cancel. So we have root 1 upon 5 is the answer. Now if we have to find sin x by 2, so sin x by 2 if we can find, see, sin square x by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos square x by 2. This is, or you can write in under root, sin x by 2 is equal to under root, direct formula. This is what? 1 minus cos square x by 2 is 1 upon 5. 1 upon 5. This is 5 under 5 under root 4 upon 5. This value is 2 upon root 5. 2 upon root 5. If you want to find tan x by 2 is equal to sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2. Sin x by 2 we have 2 upon root 5 upon 1 upon root 5. This will go, what is the answer? 2 is the answer, So this is how you can find the values. So in question 8 I have got the values sin x by 2, cos x by 2, tan x by 2. In question number 9, the same thing you have to find sin x by 2, cos x by 2, tan x by 2, and value is given cos x is equal to minus 1 by 3 and x lies in third quadrant. So first you will find the value of sin and you will find x by 2 value in which quadrant it lies, and after that find all the values. So this is the last question of the exercise. Now this completes your chapter. Now in next lecture we shall start the new topic. Now chapter number 4 in NCERT, is mathematical induction, which has been removed from the syllabus. So after this we are not going to start chapter 4, we will start chapter 5. So be mentally prepared. Now practice all the questions. Now one more thing I would like to give the information I just gave about it, that trigonometric equation has been removed from the syllabus. So you should not prepare that. Got it? Okay. Thank you very much. God bless you.